Hello viewers and my dear, welcome to session 4 on isometric projection demo. That means here we are covering the main problems what I have done in my different sessions. Okay, and I am showing another problem, that is problem number 17 what I have done in the different sessions. I have clearly explained how to do in session that is problem number 17 and the different sessions. The same problem I'm helping you how to do it using solid edge. It is a sort of revision exercise for you, and it will be of you'll be highly benefited out of this, because the one thing what I have noticed here is once you know isometric, this orthographic will be in line with that. Once you know isometric, orthographic you can do easily. But these two are two different questions in the exam. Two different questions can easily be managed. That is why I said you learn isometric better, so that orthographic will become very easy for you. See here, there is one problem what we have discussed in my different sessions. That is problem number 17. Same problem I have taken. Now I'll show you how to do it using solid data and all that. Now there is a frustum of square pyramid is there. Base square 40, top square 20 and height 60 is resting centrally on a square prism of sides 80 and thickness 20. Okay, that means a base solid is a square prism of sides 80 and thickness 20. That means first we'll concentrate on base solid first. See here, since here we don't have that is sphere or hemisphere, you don't have to worry about this isometric scale and all that. Initially we'll do everything isometric view, and then we'll convert into isometric projection. Anyway, I'll tell you now. Okay, now it is base solid is a square prism of sides 80 and thickness 20. Okay, first we'll concentrate only on that. Okay, now what we'll do, I'll do one horizontal line here. Okay, this is uh, there is base solid is sides 80, 80 sides 80, and this is minus 180 means this is 150 you take. Okay, this you take, this is 80 again, 80 angle 30 you take. Okay, you wait for the alignment indicator, you can finish off. Then you draw on parallel line to this, take 80 again, and minus 30 you take. And that means you, if you draw parallel, no, 80 and minus 30 will be fixed there. Okay, at length and angle, you click here. Then you finish this. This is 80 and minus 51 minus 150. Beautifully it comes. In that way you complete this. Height is, they are given the height as 20. Height or thickness as 20. Okay. Take 20. Okay, draw this. From here also, draw 20. Vertical line. From here also, draw 20. From here also, you draw 20. Okay. If you draw this, and if you complete this, you are completing the base solid. But base solid, as you know, you see here, we'll move it a bit. Okay, we'll move a bit. We'll delete this also to some extent. We'll trim off this. Okay. Now, as you know here, I've drawn the base solid already. Okay. Base solid is already done. And for base solid, as you know, the darkening is always the top surface, left surface, and right surface. See here, I'll darken this, keeping the control button pressed. Okay. I'll darken the top surface. Okay. Keeping control button pressed. I'll darken the left surface. Okay, left surface, and I'll darken the right surface also. Okay, this is the basic thing. This is, see here, this, I'll dimension this also for your understanding purposes. Angle, okay, this is 30 degree. Even here also, okay, with reference to this, this is 30 degree. This, as you see here, this is 80 only, correct? No, this is 80, this is 20. In that way, what I have now got is isometric view, because I have not reduced the dimensions. If I take this entire thing and multiply by 0.816, this will get reduced and it will become isometric projection. Now this is isometric view, and if you take the scale and multiply by 0.816, it will become isometric projection. Since here sphere and hemisphere are not there, even you can do isometric view also completely, because you don't have to multiply again and again and all that. That is why directly do actual dimensions. Finally, you take the scale, multiply by 0.816 and convert into isometric projection. Anyway, I show. This is isometric view of the bottom solid. Then you see here, top solid you draw. Top solid is a frustum of a square pyramid. Okay, frustum of a square pyramid. Bottom square 40. Bottom square 40. This is 40 square, no? 40. This is, you go for the alignment indicator, 40, 30 is there, correct it is. Then again 40 you take, you see here, it is going parallel now. Once you get parallel command, it should be okay. 40 minus 30, in that way you take this and complete this. This is 40. 40 iso square, 40 square I have completed. If you observe here, you know, this is 40. Can you understand? 40, 40, 40 and 40. Okay, this you got. This is frustum of a square pyramid. That means cut portion of a pyramid it is. Okay. Now what I'll do to make things very easy, the top square is 20, no? What I'll do, you see here, this you should know. Okay, without wasting any time. Okay, I'll take the scale. Okay. Okay, first what I'll do, I'll move this. Move and copy I'll do. Okay, move, and this copy also I'll do. I'll take somewhere here. Okay. Okay, I'll take somewhere here. Okay. Now this, anyway, this is not required. You cancel it off. Now what I'll do, this, I'll scale it down. I'll scale it. See here, this is 40. I want it 20. That is why scale factor I'll take 0.5, 0.5. Okay. In that way, I have got the top square as, you see here, this top square if you see here, automatically it will be 20, length 20. And this is 40. 40 and 20 instantly I got. Okay. Did you follow? Now, that means the bottom square I've done, take and copied and moved here, and I've taken the scale. so that this becomes 20. Okay. Now you know very well the height of this is 60 mm. What I'll do now, I'll from the center of this from the center of this, I'll go to a height of 60. I'll go to a height of 60 because the height is 60. Now what I'll do here is carefully follow. Here you see okay. Now I have this is height 60. Okay, this is 20 square, this is 40 square and all that. Now I'll see here what I'll do. I'll move this, no? Move this with respect to the center here. And I'll put it here at the end of this. Okay, see here? I'll undo, I'll show you again. Okay, what I'll do now, I'll move this with respect to, I don't want copy here. Okay, I'll remove this copy. I'll take the center of this and I'll take it to this. Okay, now you got it. Now you know very well. This is a frustum of square pyramid, apex portion removed, top square 20, bottom square 40, height is 60. Now to darken this, I've always told you always concentrate on the top surface first. Okay, see here what I'll do. Concentrate on this. Okay. Okay. Now concentrate on this. Otherwise, we'll enlarge it a bit. Okay. Now I'll darken this. Okay, top surface, anyway, it has to be darkened. Now you see here, what I'll do, I'll draw this slant edges. Okay, now as per the principle, top surface should be seen, left surface should be seen, right surface should be seen. In that way, what I'll do, here I'll darken this. Top surface is darkened, left surface is darkened. In the same way, right surface also you darken it. Okay, now you have got two solids. Okay, one is this frustum of square pyramid, one is this frustum of square pyramid. This frustum of square pyramid. This is a square prism of sides 80 and height 20 or thickness 20. This has to be placed centrally here. This will be discussing in the next session. Okay, next session, that is session number 5. Now we have come to the end of session 14. Okay, now this is how it is. As I told you, you locate the center here. Okay, you locate the center here and locate the center here. This center is there. Then we have to move this without copy and we have to place it here so that you are getting the isometric projection of two solids kept one over the other, and it's a standard examination problem. And we'll learn how exactly to do the orthographic projection also. In that way, you'll be perfect in 2 chapters. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.